Welcome to the demonstration of NetSuite Analytics Warehouse. In this video, I'll explain how a software company can utilize pre-built dashboards, metrics, and visualizations to help evaluate the health of its install base. Upon opening the recurring revenue workbook, I'm presented with a high-level snapshot of monthly recurring revenue for my customers over the past year. I have tiles that show me the total MRR change and number of new customers in my install base in the last 12 months, alongside any customers that have churned and the MRR that I lost as a result. Below, I'm presented with an MRR roll forward, showing me the ins and outs of my install base on a rolling monthly basis, with MRR bucketed by change categories such as renewal, new, upsell, and downsell. I can navigate to the MRR detail tab to see the details that support these numbers. The MRR detail tab gives me additional insight into the MRR changes we saw on the previous screen. The MRR bridge waterfalls for me the change in MRR each month, broken out by the metric that I specify. This bridge currently breaks out MRR changes by the class segment in NetSuite. If I want to change the metric that waterfalls the bridge, I can change my view from presentation mode to edit mode by clicking the edit button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. From edit mode, I can change the metric used in the MRR bridge by adding a new field to the detail section of the visualization builder. I can enter the name of the field I want to include in the search bar, which in this case is sales status, then drag that field into the detail section of the builder to replace classification name. Upon making the change, the chart updates automatically, helping me visualize the month-to-month drivers of MRR changes. I can return to presentation mode by clicking the preview button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Scrolling down, the monthly impact table shows me a rolling detail of MRR changes by customer. I can filter my entire dashboard for a specific customer by selecting a customer from the visualization. When I select my above the cloud customer, the rest of my dashboard updates automatically to only show me information for the selected customer, allowing me to narrow my focus to revenue they've generated and explore opportunities for potential upsells. I also have the option to filter the dashboard for a specific item, class, or any other metric I'm looking to further analyze. After scrolling to the bottom of the dashboard, I can see the arrangement analysis, showing me the underlying NetSuite data that drives the rest of the visualizations, including sales orders, revenue arrangements, and revenue elements. I can drill into an underlying sales order by right-clicking on the sales order number and clicking Open NetSuite Sales Order. The sales order from my NetSuite ERP account will automatically open in a new tab, providing the audit trail of how I get from originating transactions to meaningful SaaS metrics. I can combine this NetSuite data with data from an external CRM, such as Salesforce, to forecast revenue based off current opportunities. From my home screen, I can launch the data console to see the list of available pre-built connections. From the data console, I can click Create in the top right-hand corner of the screen, click Connection, and then from the list of available connections, I can select the Salesforce logo. I'm then prompted to enter the necessary credentials to connect the environment. Navigating back to my list of visualizations, I can open my MRR forecast workbook to see both NetSuite and Salesforce data combined. This visualization shows me data from actual revenue elements in NetSuite in orange that eventually become 0 as they are recognized. They are then replenished by anticipated revenue from opportunities in Salesforce with the opportunity type noted. Thank you for watching this demonstration. If you have any questions, please reach out to your account manager.